So at the moment, I'm up on the Three Lakes Trail on Donner Summit. Kind of just came out of a little clearing. I tried to record walking through the clearing because there's lots of beautiful yellow and green fall colors, but the GoPro was acting up and I didn't get any of it. But it's still beautiful. It's still up here. There's still some orange colors coming up here. And I'm getting close to the end of the trail. I'm gonna pick up my pace a little bit. The sun is going down and I don't have a headlamp. All I've got is my cell phone flashlight. See beautiful vistas back that way. I'll try and get a closer look. It's amazing how the forest floor just explodes with this yellow. It's vibrant this time of year. I think that's why lots of people love fall, because of the colors, changing colors of the trees. That's certainly why I enjoy it. I think this is the last lake on the trail. I'm gonna just check my Google Maps. Can't call anybody. Well, that didn't work out like I wanted it to. App just closed. We're at the second of the three lakes. Isn't this beautiful? You can see the sun painting the landscape over there. Bright orange rust color hue. Let's keep going. Got all these beautiful trees out here. This way. I think once we get over to the top of this little short ridge here, that we'll get a nice view facing east towards Truckee and Reno. The sea. Oh yeah. Just wait a second. I come up here and then I'm going to turn the camera around. You're going to see how amazing this looks. Well, I was going to try and climb this boulder, but maybe not. Just climb right here. Yeah, huh? This is the highway. I thought you could see Donner Lake. Ah, there it is. It's Donner Lake down there. And this is Flora Lake on the trail. This is the second of the three. You can see North Star. Truckee's just around the bend. Reno's a little bit further down. Lake Tahoe is just over North Star. Quite a spectacular place, eh? Alright, I gotta keep going on the trail, otherwise I'm gonna get stuck in the dark out here. Just made it around to the backside of Floor Lake, which we were just looking at the vista view from. And yeah, I thought I'd show it because it's beautiful. I really love walking through this forest. You know, I was listening to a podcast I think 2 days ago where they were talking about, it's Tim Ferriss podcast, and they were talking about forest bathing in Japan, I believe. I'm not exactly sure what that entails, but I can imagine it's something like this, where you're just out in the woods, out in the forest, amongst the trees, in the dirt, breathing in this fresh, crisp air. Very nice, yes. I do say so myself. I always think that I'm gonna run into a bear out here. I never see them. I don't think I've seen one in Truckee. I've seen a few more close around Lake Tahoe. I've seen photos of them in Truckee. They must be very shy. Yes. They don't come out to play very much. Not that I would want to play with a bear, you know, but it's good to know, at least be aware that they might be out here. Oh, it looks like we're coming to the end of the trail. Lake number 3. Let's see what it's called. Azalea Lake is what this one is called. Coming up to it now. Looks like another amazing serene lake. I didn't even know this was back here until I started hiking on this trail or learning about this trail. I didn't know these lakes were up here. I think there's lots of lakes up on down there that I don't know about. Definitely seen 3 of them today. Although I think 2 of them are lakes. One of them is a reservoir. It's got a man-made wall around it, which I didn't show because the GoPro was having issues. But yeah, here we are on this one. At the top. This is the end of the trail. Yep. Looks like it. Keep going on. Connects to Highway 80 up there. But my car is back that way, so that's where we're going. If I had more time, I might have stayed a little bit longer up here. Could have brought a beer or a picnic or something, and that would have been really nice. But as it is, the sun is going down. I've got 3 miles to hike back before it gets too dark, so I must go. And yeah, I really like these trees. They're kind of dead. Well, definitely dead. They got this moss growing up the side of them. These little fungi. Maybe some Ganoderma species. Ganoderma? Yeah. Something like that. Related to the artist conch. trail. Maybe that's it down there. So let's get back on it before I get lost. I have a tendency to get lost sometimes, which I enjoy. But not when the threat of darkness is upon me. Is this the trail? Anyways, I think I know where I'm going. Alright, well, I made it back to the parking lot where my Jeep is parked. It was just barely too dark for me to see, but I made it here. It's a beautiful trail. I'm glad I went on it. Next time I'll go a little bit earlier. Yeah, highly recommend it. Until next time, subscribe to the channel. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. You know, all the stuff that really helps people making videos know what you like, what you don't like. Yeah. Anyways, check you guys later.